Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and today I'm going to show you a advanced POS multi-vendor system where you can track your inventory, you can manage your stock, and you can also manage your purchase orders and sales orders, sales invoice, and everything what you need to your business. It's covered in this system. So without wasting of time, let's get a quick overview of this POS plus inventory management system. Okay, so here is the first of all, you have to sign up with your shop or store name, then you can get the access of this login. So I have one user with the name tasteshop@gmail.com and the password is 123456789. So whenever user are logged in the system, so you can see first of all here is the dashboard available for that particular user or particular shop owner. Okay, so this is the basically the summary of your whole system which is work in your business. Okay, so here you can see top 10 selling items. So you can see here SKU of that top 10 items, selling items. So you can see that, and here when you are hover on this, so it will show you that how many quantity you sold to for this particular item. Okay, so here you can see we have a 420 quantity sold for this SKU. Another is, as you can see, we have a top 10 selling SKU here. Here is top 5 selling categories. So based on the categories like electronics and then crockeries and sports, something like that. So on the basis of that category, you can see that which top 5 category is sold mostly. Okay, then after here you can see last 12 months sales, profit and loss. It is calculated only on the basis of sales, not on the expenses and not cover anything. It's based on the sales. So as you can see here, we have a profit and loss. When I'm going to hover on it, so it will show you the profit and loss here. Or if I want to only see the profit, so I can click on this loss, so only the profit will be shown here. And if I want to click show both thing, so I'm going to click on this one. If I want to show the losses, so I can see this one. Okay, and after that you can see here is the summary of the sales and purchase of the week by the current week, today's sales, last week, current month, as you can see here. So you can see today we don't have any sales, that's why it's displaying 00. Also we don't have any purchases today, so that's why it's displaying here 00. Okay, but the current week we sale around $23,482, and then here we purchase on the last week like around 40,000. Okay, then here as you can see last week sale, last week purchase, current month sale, current month purchase. Okay, and here is the total stock value which is inside our warehouse, like total quantity, and then the value of that total quantity is available here of all products, of all items. Okay, so as you can see here we have around 7,59,000 around stock value. Okay, so I'm going to go a little down. So as you can see here we have a last 12 months sales and purchase. So as you can see here we can we sales 380 and then purchase 0. Yeah, here it is also. As you can see here in March 2022 we have a 370 sales and 380 purchase. Okay, this is the amount of the purchase and sales. Okay, as you can see 380 is the amount of the purchase and 370 is the amount of sales. Okay, as you can see here I can also see only the purchase. When I click on the sales, so it will be hide. Okay, so as you can see I can hide both of these, and I can also see both of these, and I can also see one by one. Okay, so and here this is the item overview. So here is the total item, like how many items are in our warehouse, how many items will be out of stock soon, and then how many items are in stock, out of stock, taxable, non-taxable, something like that. Okay, so you can also download this chart by the Excel sheet. Like if I'm going to click on this one, the menu bar, so you can see download CSV. So when I click on this download, so it will be download here, as you can see, and I'm going to double click and open for you. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a SKU of the product. As you can see here, we have a SKU of the product, and we have a total quantity sold, as you can see here. Okay, so this is how you can download your data directly from the Excel sheet also. As the same way, we can download this one also. I'm going to click on this one. So last 12 months profit and loss of selling. So as you can see, this is the months, this is the profit, this is a loss, and you can calculate it as per your requirements. Okay, then after, you can also download this sales and purchase. I'm going to show you, like as you can see here, we have a sales, purchase, and we have a downloads. Okay, then after, I'm going to click on this menu bar, so it will be display my my menu items, like suppliers, inventory. So we are going to the supplier tag and see what we have. So I'm going to click on the supplier, and as you can see, we have a supplier details, like from which supplier we are buying products. So as you can see here, supplier name, supplier email, supplier phone number, address, test, supplier added by. This is the multi-user and multi-shops system. That's why it's displaying here supplier added by, which means which user add this supplier. Like we have a one store, in that store we have a multiple users, like admin and salesman and the manager. We have multiple users, that's why it's displaying here multiple users. Okay, I'm going to click on this one, and I can also update the supplier information. I can add new supplier directly from here. Okay, so this is about the supplier. After adding supplier, we need the inventory, right? So here is our inventory, as you can see here. So this is the inventory section. So here is a SKU, barcodes, image, title, category, stock, purchase price, sale price, sold quantity, lead time. Lead time meaning the lead time means is what is the time frame when we order this particular product to the supplier. So from the supplier to coming our warehouse, how many days it will contain, like 5 days or 20 days. So that is called lead time. Okay, recommended quantity, next order date, performance, and edit. You can edit the products directly from here as per your requirement, as you can see here, and we can update the items here directly. Okay, and this is the performance page. Okay, so I'm going to explain you this recommended quantity and next order date. That is the meaning, like on the sales basis, we are recommend quantity to the shop owners, like how many inventory we needed in future, and on which date we needed how many quantities. This is the new concept. As you can see here, we recommend to shop owner that how this quantity needed on this date. Okay, as you can see here, this is the advanced stock notifier system. As I think you can see that system in some rarely systems. Okay, so I am going to explain you. So when you are click on this performance, which means you want to check the performance of that particular item. Okay, if I want to check the performance of this US Polo men's solid regular fit t-shirt, so I am going to click on this performance. So it will be it will show me the performance of last of all time. So as you can see, the item details are here. Here is the performance. Okay, here is available stock, and it will show us like in how many days we clear this stock. So as per the selling, we can say that average selling is 1 quantity per day. So the stock will be clear around 180 days. As you can see here, we have a 218 quantity. So after that we recommend quantity to the supplier, to the user, like in next 30 days how many stock we needed. So as you can see here, after 280 days from today, 30, we recommended 30 quantity to this shop owner, like after 280 days from today you need 30 quantity for next 30 days after 280 days. Okay, and here also we declare we are showing a lead time, like as I told you that lead time is the concept, like from supplier to our warehouse, how many days it will contain to get the particular item. Okay, but as you can see, we have enough stock for next 30 days. As you can see here, we have a 80 quantity and only one quantity sold in a day. So that's why it say we have enough stock for next 30 days. Okay, from here we can see the total sales and purchase and something like that of that particular item. In that particular item contain how many stock value, it will be displayed here. Like as you can see here, the purchase price is 100 and we have 180 quantity. So let me show you how it will work. So 100 into 180. So as you can see, 21,800. So as you can see, the stock value is here, and here we have two tables here, like one is for the sold information and one is the purchase information. As you can see, on which date we sold how many quantity in how much amount. As you can see here, also from the right side, as you can see, purchase table, how many quantity we purchased and what amount we paid to the supplier. Okay, so basically this is the product performance page. We can't see any chart just because we don't have any sales of this particular product in the next last 12 months. But I'm going to show you one item which I have as you can see here, this item we have sold history and purchase history also. So I can see only sales, I can see nothing, I can see this as you can see. So as you can see here, we have now available 474 quantity. So based on the next 30 days, we don't need to order this particular item, just because this is not a running item, this is not a selling item, just because as you can see here, average selling 0 quantity per day. So we don't need to order this particular product. So this is the concept, that how you can manage your business, like how many stock we needed for the particular product, or we needed for the next 30 days, or we don't need that product. So based on that, you can see here, you can track your items here, and this is the very perfect solution of your inventory. Okay, so as you can see here, we can see that it displayed the next order date is tomorrow. As like let me show you. As you can see, we have 20 quantities sold on every day. So we have 151 quantity, so it will be clear around 7 days. Okay, so after 7 days, for next 30 days we need 660 quantity. Okay, and the lead time is 10 days. So we minus the lead time with this one, so the next order date before tomorrow. Okay, so this is how the system is work. Okay, and as you can see here, recommended quantity, not needed, not needed, not needed, everything is coming here also. And from here you can search your product with the keywords, like if I want to search, you can search the product with the title, barcode or SKU. So let me show you, like LP bag. So as you can see, this is the pure not refreshing pages. Directly you can get the result from here, as you can see. So I'm going to search something more like US Polo. So as you can see, US Polo item are showing me. Okay, if I'm entering the barcode of the system, like 54. So as you can see, it will display me the 54 barcode product which have a barcode 54. Okay, then after I can also search with the direct this product title name. Okay, so I'm going to search like I want to search this item, last checkpoint item. Okay, this is not the name of the item, but this is for the experimental purpose, that's why. So I'm going to enter last. As you can see, we get the product. Okay, and also from here we can see in stock, out of stock items also. As you can see here, no data found, just because there is no out of stock product available. As you can see, we have a stock, we don't have any item which is out of stock. Okay, low stock item meaning if we have a less than 5 items, so it will be display 5 quantity of the particular item, so it will be displaying me here in a low stock. But right now, as you can see, we don't have any low stock products. Okay, then after, if I want to search like which product I have to order from next day or next 10 days or next something like that, so I can directly search by here. So as you can see here, if I am going to click on this April one, so as you can see, no product found, but I am going to the December 31. So as you can see, it show me 2 products which is here 38/20/22 and tomorrow. These 2 products I have to order it. Okay, so I'm going to clear this one so we can see. Okay, so also if we have a more than 100 products, so the search result will be available here with the pages number. And if you want to show in a one page like more than 100 products you want to see, so you can click on this one, so it will be display you more than 100 products. Okay, then after we have an option like if I want to add the product, so I can add the product from here, as you can see. So let me show you how can we add the product, like something like that. If I give any name, if I give any barcode, I give any, okay, yeah, it's a SKU, not a title. So I can say check this SKU. Okay, item title will be test item. Okay, category will be mobile, let's say mobile. And if I choose the one image from here, so let me choose the image from the image, yeah, from here. If I select this image, so as you can see, and I set the price like purchase price is 150, selling price will be around 350, lead time will be 1 day, and then after tax none, add item. So as you can see, add item successfully. As you can see also here, that item is available, but the stock is currently 0. So you have to purchase this product from the supplier. Okay, then after yeah, so if you want to import bulk products, like you have more than 15 products or 30 products or 10 products, so you can directly import it with the use of this option import. So it will allow us to import the product with the CSV data. Okay, so as you can see, select import type. So I want to import the inventory. Okay, so I choose the inventory. If I want to update or import a purchase price of the particular products, so I can directly select this one, and I will upload the file, and I can update the purchase price, also sale price, also image imports. I can directly import or update anything from here, as you can see. So right now I want to import the inventory. So I have one file I'm going to show you. So as you can see here, we have a file with the name and I think that is available in our database. Let me check. Yeah, as you can see here, we have So let me change something new here. We will add 2 product by the file, and the title will be, let's say it's a B and it's black, and this is large, so we set it to small, and we say the 20 here, okay, and then I will change the color to black. Okay, so it's a CSV file, that's why you have to add like this. Okay, so SM, just because we have a small, so you can set any SKU, but you have to think in your mind that like it will be not repeatable SKU, okay, for that particular product. Okay, so let's say 22, I said black, I changed the SKU. Also I have to change the barcode here. Let's say barcode. Okay, I am going to set as it is this one. Okay, I am going to set the price of the purchase price of this product. So I said 100, the selling price is 250. Also I can set the like here I can set like let's say 150, and the selling price is 200. Lead time is 10, and here is 5. Let's say as it is. Okay, then also we need to set the images, so you can get the image links from the Flipkart or Amazon like that. Like Flipkart, I'm going to show you how you can get the image links, or you can upload your own image also. If I search like this is the hair dryer, so I can search hair dryer black. Okay, so let me show you. Yeah, here it is. So I can get the image link like this. So I'm going to right click, copy image address, and paste it to my directly image here. Okay, and here also I can search small laptop bag. Okay, so as you can see here, I can also right click this one by copy image address and paste it here directly, save it. Okay, and I'm going to close this file, and now let me import this file to my directory. Okay, so I'm going to use this import and inventory import. I want to import inventory, and I'm going to choose the file. So my file is available at here from where yeah, invnt. Okay, so as you can see, so okay, boom, you can see we import 2 products successfully, very successfully, as you can see. So hair dryer, backpacks, black, white, purchase price is complete, perfectly coming, everything is perfectly coming. Okay, so this is how you can import your products directly to the system. Okay, and with the use of this export option, you can export your file into your Excel sheet. Okay, so when I'm going to click on this export, so as you can see, inventory export, and the date is coming, and as you can see, we have the full inventory in our Excel sheet. So we can now calculate like every available stocks, purchase price, selling price, everything is coming here dynamically, directly. Okay, so okay, also you can search with the multiple options, like if I search like Vega, as you can see, and if I choose to like out of stock, so it will display me this item. You can see that I want to see in stock item. So as you can see here, we have in stock items. You can search with the multiple option also here. Okay, so this is the import inventory. So now let's move on to the next part. So after importing the products, as you can see, we have a zero stock, so we have to purchase from the supplier. Okay, so for the purchase you can use this point of purchase system. Okay, so you can see here we have an option like point of purchase. Okay, so with the use of this one, you can select the products like if I want to remove this everything from here, and if I want to, just because this is the zero stock available, so I'm going to click on this one and this one, so it will be automatically added here without refreshing a page. Okay, if I want to buy more than one quantity, so I can directly click on this one again, so it will you can show me here is the update are available 2 quantity here. Okay, if I want to 5 quantity, so I can click this to 5 times, but now we have a 2 quantity, so I have to click on this 3 times. So as you can see 1, 2 and 3. So as you can see 5 items are now here, and I want to add this quantity with the 10, so I can use like 1 2 3 4. Also I can set it directly from here with the click on this 1, okay, and then 0. Okay, so as you can see everything is updating as per the changes applied by us. Okay, so now I can place the order, but before I can place the order I have to select the supplier, like from which supplier I have to buy these products. Okay, so I can say that like Red Dragon is my supplier, and I want to purchase like this one, this quantity with the grand total of this, and I can put the place order here. So when you are click on this place order, the order will be into your purchase invoice directly coming here. As you can see here is our order available, and it is in a purchase order process order. Okay, this is not completed yet, just because we recently add this to our purchase invoice. Okay, so when the supplier send us the product, that time we will edit this and we will complete this purchase order. Okay, so you can search directly here with the barcode, name or SKU, like we see in inventory. So if I want to Vega, so as you can see, so Vega will be displaying here, and you can click on the title, so it will be directly added here. You don't need to do anything more here. Okay, so after purchasing, so as you can see we have this process order here. So let's complete this order. Before I can complete, I can show you like what we order. So as you can see we ordered this quantity 10 and this 5, and the grand total is this. Yeah, so everything is perfect. So it generates one purchase order number, so it will be displayed here. Okay, and we can now finish the order. Like if sometime it's happening like we demand to supply like 10 quantity, but supplier send us only 8 quantity, so we can directly write down here 8 like this, like we order 10 quantity but we receive 8 quantity. And sometime it happened that some product are damaged, so we return this that damaged product to the supplier. So on that situation also we can update it from here. Okay, so as we can see we order 10 quantity but we receive only 8 quantity. Okay, and here we can leave it as it is, like we order 5 quantity and we receive 5 quantity. And then after we need to import the invoice number which is coming with the supplier bill. Okay, supply invoice. So I can add any number, but you have to see the supply invoice and you have to put that invoice number here. So it will be help you to searching the invoice very quickly. Okay, so select payment date, like on which date you receive this order. So I can say that like on 18th or 28th April I received the order. Okay, I can select the payment option, payment type. So I can select check option. So you have to enter check number here. If you don't have a check, if you pay to the cash, so you can leave this as it is blank. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the save and finish PO. As you can see the grand total is changed here. just because we receive 8 quantity here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this save and finish option. So PO has been finished successfully. Okay, so as you can see now here, the summary of that PO is at the end of this table. As you can see, we order total 15 quantity, like we order 5 quantity for the small 20 LP bag, and we order 10 quantity for this hair dryer. So the total is 15. Okay, but we receive only 13 quantity. As you can see, we receive this quantity only 8 and this 5. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Okay, so here you can see the return quantity is 2, and the subtotal, grand total, everything is coming here. Okay, so this is the purchase order section, purchase order invoice section. So from here you can also search by PO number. As I told you, like if I want to search this PO, so I'm going to copy, oh no, not like that, paste it. So you can see that order are coming here. Okay, you can search by with the date also, with the status also. If I'm going to say process order, show me only process order data, so it will be display you process order. Okay, and if you want to export this whole purchase invoice in your Excel sheet, so you can also click on the export button. So when I click on this one, so you can see the export data is coming directly from here in our system. So you can see order date, receive date, everything is coming here. Supplier, number of items. This one is the last order which we made recently, as you can see here. Okay, so this is the way to export your files. And now I'm going to before I show you purchase return, I'm going to show you in the dashboard, like as you can see today's purchase, as we recently purchased this one, so it shows us like today's purchase. And if you observe here, we have now stock available of these 2 product, which is out of stock when we import that, right? So now we have a 5 quantity of this and 8 quantity of this product. Okay, so now let's move on to purchase return. So you can return the purchase, like sometime it's happened like we received the products from the supplier, but after 2 or 5 days the product will damage or something is not working, so we can return that product directly from here. So if I want to return like this test item, okay, but we don't have in stock this test item. Okay, so let's try to return this Vega, which we have 34 available stock, so white hair dryer. Okay, so I'm going to click on this return. I'm going to use the check the supplier, and return quantity is 1, return amount is 100, and return date is today here. Okay, add return. So as you can see, return has been added successfully. Okay, and okay, return has been added successfully. Now let me check onto the return section here. So as you can see that that product is coming here and show us the all the returns products into one page. Okay, you can search by the barcode, SKU or titles. You can search by the date, between dates, page numbers. Okay, you can also export this. So when you click on this export, so as you can see the export is coming here and it displays us everything perfectly. So this is, you can change with the numbers just because sometime it happen. Okay, you can see that perfect result are coming here. So I'm going to close this. Okay, and this is how can you return your items. Okay, now I'm going to show you point of sales. This is the main part of the system. Just because it is available with the sellers, managers or admins. Okay, so when the customer are coming into our store and he purchased something and he is coming to the counter, so that time we have to make an invoice of sales. Okay, so For example, if I'm a customer and I want to buy this item, which is a large laptop bag, okay, so I come into the counter and say I want to buy this, so I will search with the code of this or title like LP. So as you can see, here's the bag is coming, but I can see here clearly, so I can directly click on this one, so it will be added to my sales invoice. Okay, then after if some customer buy more than one quantity, so I can again click on this 2 3 4 5. So as you can see here, everything is changing here, but I want to purchase it with only one quantity. Also I want to buy this hair dryer, so I can click on this one also with the 2 quantity. Okay, and I want to give the discount of the particular customer. If I have a good relation with the customer and I want to give the discount of that customer, so I can also give the discount from here, like and before discount I want to show you something. Just like if I want to remove this product, so I can click on the delete button with the single return, like as you can see, single. Okay, and if I want to remove everything from here, so I can click on simply remove all, so it will be remove all. So 1 2 1 2 3, as you can see. And now I want to give the discount, like I want to give discount 20%. So as you can see, everything is counting automatically. So I want to give discount 20% to the particular customer, and I want to save this bill. So what I can do is I can save it, or I can save and print it. Okay, so for now I will only save. This option you can use when user want the bill. Okay, that time you can use save and print. But now if user don't want to get the bill, so you can directly save this. Okay, so here you can directly search by SKU, product or product name, like search Poco. So as we display me Poco 31. Okay, so now let's see sales invoice, which is here into the sales invoice page. So as you can see here, we have right now we recently sell 2 products, so it displayed me here, as you can see. Okay, and you can see here everything is coming perfectly here, like how many quantity we sold, 2 3, price, total, how much discount we give that user, everything is coming here. So here is the summary, like 3180 is the subtotal, but we give 20%, so that's why the price is 2544, and we get the profit from that particular order, like 1100 is the profit, something around 1200 is the profit of the particular order, from the particular order. As you can see here, sometime we got the losses. As you can see here, we give the 80% discount to the customer, that's why we have minus 170 is our loss. Okay, so sometime it happened like we made the order by mistakenly, so we can clear that order, we can delete that order also from here. So from the action, you want to select the delete reason, like if I say that like sales by mistake, and I want to restock this item or no need to restock this item. Okay, so that meaning is sometime it happen like customer returned the product but it damaged, so we don't need to add into our inventory, we just put it into the dustbin. That's why we don't need to restock that product into our inventory again. So that's why the option are available here, like select stock. So I can select restock items. Okay, and I am going to use the delete button. Delete button. So the item will be the order will be delete from here. I can delete the whole order from here. If I want to delete full order, so I will use this delete option. If I want to delete only one product from this particular order, so I can also do that. I'm going to click on this edit button. So as you can see here, I can remove the particular product from here by click on this button, okay, this link. Okay, also I can update the discounts, update the sold quantity, everything I can do from here. Okay, and I can also delete this by here. So let me delete this. So I said that customer return, and I want to restock these items. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. So sales order has been cancelled successfully. Okay, so you can see that order will be disappear from here just because it is deleted. Okay, I can also export these orders, like you can see. So I can export, open it. So as you can see, everything is perfectly coming here. Profit, losses, discount, gross total, subtotal, number of items, order date, order ID, everything is coming perfectly. Okay, so now let's move on the account section. It is a very important section. So as you can see, I am the main admin of this shop, so I get all this access. As you can see, supplier access, inventory access, purchase point of purchase access, every access I have taken from here. Okay, so here when you click on this account section, so the page will be appear here. From here you can see your subscription date. Okay, so this is the basically subscription system. Okay, subscription based multi shopper system, multi vendor system. Okay, so here you can update your account from if you want to change this profile picture, so I can change it. Like if I want to put my picture here, I can update it. Account has been updated successfully. As you can see, my picture is coming here. It's very clear. Okay, I can also update my store name, my phone number, my email, my address. Okay, so now manage credential. Okay, so from here you can change your email, you can change your password. Okay, so something like that. So you must need to enter your current password to make any changes with that three options. Like if you want to update your email, update your password, so you have to enter your current password, otherwise it will be not updated. Okay, then after I will show you this manage user after this subscription page. Okay, so I'm going to directly show you a subscription. So you can see this is the plans, like this plan added by the website admin, not by the seller. Okay, shoppers or store owners. This is added by the admin. Okay, so as you can see, starter plan, one user, advanced dashboard, add up to 50 item. So if some seller buy this some store owner buy this starter plan, so he will be paid like 400. This is set by the admin. Okay, you can set any price here. So one user $400, and we can add 50 items. We can add up to 100 sales orders in a month. These all are for the month, for the single month. In a single month you can you can create sales order 100, you can purchase order 100, but this is not with the month. This is only available with this account starter. Like if you buy this account starter account, so you can only able to add 50 items, okay, in your inventory. So from here, if I want to add a user, so I can click on this add button, so I can add a user from here. I will select the plan from here accordingly. Okay, as you can see here, so I can select any plan. I can set the user password, user email, username, and I will pay, so I can able to access my new user. Okay, so you can see here now it's a very interesting part of the system. Okay, manage users. Like you are the admin of the system, that's why you can see this is the two sub user of your system, like desktop2@gmail.com and user role. So this is the salesman, this is the manager. Okay, so you can update that IDs and password accordingly your requirements. Okay, you can set up the email address, you can set up the password, update the email address, everything. You have a full control of the system. Okay, so you can directly click on the update and you can make any changes here. Okay, so the next one is the user access. So as you can see here, we have access like this one. So you can see these all are the access I want to give my user. This is this user test_user2@gmail.com. Okay, I want to show you something very interesting, like you have a doubt in your mind, like if I change the browser, so I can also log into the system, so why I buy another user. Okay, so I have a solution of that. So I'm going to show you. So localhost, and then after, let's say, localhost service. Okay, so as you can see, I have logged in with this email. Okay, testshop@gmail.com. Now let me log in here with the same ID. Okay, testshop@gmail.com. Oh, okay. So maybe it's have some, yeah, this is the admin, that's why it's not this is the main user, that's why it's not login here. Okay, so let me try with this testshop2@gmail.com. okay, so let's say testshop@gmail.com. 1234678 okay, so I have access of this test shop. Oh, maybe, yeah, I log in with the same user, testshop2@gmail.com. 1234678 okay, so as you can see, we have only 3 options, just because from here, as you can see, update credential, I'm going to show you this update user testshop2. So you can see I gave that user. By default, one access will be given to the all user, like point of sales. Okay, point of sales by default given to the every user, just because point of sale is the main part of the system. That's why we have to give all the access at least point of sale system. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So we have we have give you the 2 access, like inventory access and inventory import access. So let me show you. I'm going to inventory, and as you can see, we don't have any export option here, just because we didn't give any access to the user. Okay, so let me say I don't want to give the inventory access to that user, so I can click on the no, I can click on save. Okay, everything is perfect. Now let me refresh the page again. Okay, so as you can see, now with this user don't have any access of inventory system. Okay, so according that, let's okay, no, so this user don't have any access, but I want to give the access, like user can access point of purchase invoice access. Okay, so I'm going to click on yes, and also I want to give the access of that user, like sales invoice access, so I can click on yes, save, yeah, access. Let's check again. Okay, so as you can see, purchase invoice, sales invoice. I'm going to click on this purchase, so I can see all purchases here, export option also here. I can see sales invoice here. So according to the admin, he will assign the role of the user and he will give the access of that user. Okay, so this is how can you access your system. Okay, and also here is the plan option, like renew. If I want to renew my plan, so I can click on this one, dates, and if I want to upgrade my plan, I can also upgrade it from here and pay to the user. And if I want to see the billings, so you can see on for which plan you pay how many things here. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so this is how can you add your users, add your everything from here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the admin part of this system, like what will admin do. So as you can see, I have an admin at gmail.com 123456789. Okay, so you can see the admin can see and track everything from here, like current week earning, so source of signups. This is for the website admin. Okay, source of sign up like Google search, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. Okay, sign up by plans like as you can see here, 60% 3 starter user, 20% 1 deluxe user, 1 premium user. Okay, so it will be show me like that. Last 12 month earning, it will be show me here. Today's earning, current week earning, last week earning, current month earning, current month sign up, last week sign up, current week sign up, today's sign up. Okay, last 12 month registration, it will be show me here. Like as you can see, in March we have 4 signups. Okay, then after I can view all the users. As you can see, all user coming from here, his plans, and this is the main user and this is the sub user of that main user. As you can see, we have 2 users of this desktop at the gmail.com. so here I can see the plans and subscription will be end like here. Okay, I can also see this test user subscription ending here, this billing here. Okay, everything I can see here. Okay, then after I have a subscription, but this page is remaining to create, so it will take only 1 day, so don't you worry about that, we will take care of it. Okay, and then after login, just because admin don't have any other works, he just can see the sign up sources, sign up plans, earnings, and that's it, nothing else. Website admin don't need to see the inventory or sales or purchase of the particular user. You don't need to do that. Okay, so now if you have any other requirements, like if you want to add on in this system, so we can also customize as per your requirement. And if you are interested, you can contact me anytime. So this is the full demo of that system, as you can see here. So if I miss something, you can tell me, I will edit everything here. Yeah, as you can see, account is login in another device, so directly log out me. Okay, so test shop at gmail.com. Okay, now let me log in again with the same. Okay, so I can say test shop at gmail.com. Yeah, I can also access from here. So this is a normal issue, we will fix it out, so don't you worry about that. Okay, so now, so if you have any other question related to this system, you can contact me, or if you have any another requirements of this projects, then you can also contact me. Okay, so this is how you can see the system. And yeah, one thing is more, is this is total responsive. Total responsive meaning is it will be open on every device with the different design, with the responsive design. Okay, so contact me if you are interested in this. So thanks a lot for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.